What is up, YouTube?
We're starting? 1 second.
Follow me on my.
This will be a little backstory.
Give me a shout out to my page.
Yeah, follow Zeke Smith.
I don't know my YouTube page, but I've got videos up.
Also, his Instagram is not Zeke Smith.
No spaces.
No spaces, no capitals.
Oh,
no
that's what
anything.
it is. Okay.
Yeah, it's not Zeke Smith.
Yeah, and my Twitter is also not Zeke Smith. My LinkedIn is Zeke Smith.
We're gonna have flour everywhere after this. All
Alright, so we're cooking again today, and today we're making bread. Because we wanted to make bread.
We don't have flour the surface yet. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
First thing we did was we got 2 tablespoons of yeast and dissolved it into half a cup of warm water. Let that sit for 10 minutes.
Has it been 10 minutes?
By the time we get here, it'll be 10 minutes.
Alright.
So
Today what you're going to need...
Oh wait, we need the hot water.
Get that hot water. What you're going to need is you're going to need yeast, hot water, salt, sugar, an egg,
Flour.
all-purpose flour, and something to mix all of them in.
The yeast is over there. You can't see it, but it's
Also
dissolved in
plastic
here.
wrap.
And a can of.
Those are peas.
Those are peas.
Not necessary.
Oh wait, we need the oil.
And oil.
That's
All
the
right,
oil.
let's get to it.
Okay. We gotta combine the hot water, sugar, salt, oil, and 3 cups of flour.
3 cups of
Don't
flour.
dump that hot water in on. There's specific amounts.
Yeah, I know. How many cups? 3?
2 cups of hot water.
2 cups? All right.
Half a cup. I'll use half.
So you're definitely supposed to mix dries before you put liquids in. It's fine.
Just so you can mix all this in.
But you're supposed to mix all your.
Don't touch that.
You're not supposed to put in water.
It's
first.
all
Is that
fine.
half a cup?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need 6 of those right now.
Well,
Why not just cups?
No, but you already did half a cup. Now you have to do another half to make a full cup before you can make the 2 more halves, 4 more fulls.
Oh, you
I
gotta
got
try
flour in
this
my
out.
eye. It's okay. I'll just dry it off with my women's Hawaiian shirt.
That is a really sure.
Okay, now you need 2 more
It's
cups.
not mine.
Is it what's her name's?
No, it's Brooks.
So it's
Sugar,
what's her
salt, oil.
It's
How
a
much
dude.
oil do you need?
name? Brooks is a guy. That's a girl name.
So 2.5 teaspoons.
He's gonna see this video.
Sorry, Brooks, but I mean, it's a girl name.
2.5 teaspoons of salt.
Yeah,
If I can open it.
you got it.
Ow, I suck at this.
Yeah, you don't have nails because you
I
put them
know.
off.
This is 1 teaspoon. We need 2.5 of these.
That's 1, 2 and a half. That's good. A little bit more.
But I was just saying because we went over in the last one.
Oh.
That's enough. Put it in.
No. Oh, there you go.
All right.
Is that all together?
Don't do that. Sugar. Wait, how much sugar? 3 tablespoons of sugar. I got it all. I have a tablespoon right here.
My
I have the
eye is so
sugar.
salty.
3 tablespoons of sugar. 1. Everybody count.
2.
3.
Okay.
Just put a little bit more in there. I like that sweet.
Well, you can put more in your 1 loaf then. I think this makes 3 loaves.
All right. Let's mix that up.
Wait. We need the oil.
How much
A
oil?
1/3 cup of oil.
Do we have something to stir this with?
Your hand.
I'll get a whisker.
A whisk.
I'll get
I need
some.
to wash my hands.
1/3 a cup.
You want to take?
That's a 4th. Not a 1/3. That's a 1/3 a cup.
Is that it, Alton?
Yeah, that's a 1/3 a cup.
Okay, so that is wait, that was hot water,
Here, look at that.
sugar,
drawer.
salt,
The
oil,
big
flour,
drawer.
and yeast
Yeah.
mixture. We gotta add the yeast mixture to the bowl. Okay,
Toss me that whisk.
it's been 10 minutes, right?
That's not a whisk.
Okay, we're gonna add the
Okay.
yeast mixture to the bowl.
Look for a spoon. I think there's a wooden spoon with slots in it.
Don't use the wooden spoon with salt. Don't whisk it.
What do you mean, don't whisk it?
Why would you use a whisk for this? You use like the.
You have a paddle? We
Yes, we have a paddle. Stop whisking
Then
it.
get the paddle! That's a knife.
There's definitely something better than a whisk to mix the bread up with.
That's another spatula.
There is definitely a paddle in there. Of sorts.
Put this back. And
That. Oh, that's what I was talking about.
yeah. Paddle it up.
Oh, wow. Oh, you're not
Watch out, watch out.
Watch out? Why are you telling us to watch out? Okay. This is going to take a second, so you just got to mix all this up. And then we got to add another 3.5 cups of flour. One cup at a time. It shouldn't start pulling away yet. But. Oh.
Smells like
You
bread.
might have to do it with your hands eventually. Okay, we will. Wait, not yet.
Not yet. Maybe. I don't know. This is
Actually, I feel like that's good.
Okay,
Yeah.
now add 1 cup at a time. Up to we're gonna add 3.5 cups
Stop it.
more total. So that was 1 cup. Now we need to add
2 more cups.
2.5 more cups. Until once it's all mixed in, we can go again.
This is really hot.
Hot. What is the mixture?
Yeah.
Just the hot water.
I'm gonna start using my hands.
Okay. Okay.
I need to flour my hands actually, because
I can still use them. Yeah, we're gonna flour everywhere.
clean it up. It's all sticking to my hands still.
I'll make that nice little bit.
Okay, we can add the second cup on.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Wait, I'm adding this cup. Okay.
It's really sticking to my hands. I
You
should
ready?
flour more.
No, look, we're good.
Yeah, dump it on my hands too. Thank you.
Wait, it's not all of it. Okay, that's all of it.
Yes.
1.5 cup more flour. It's gonna stick to your hands. It's starting to smell like bread.
Mm-hmm.
My eye still hurts from the salt.
Oh, stupid.
Okay, get all these corners. What are you doing?
I know, but I can't get them with my fingers.
You
I
can
gotta.
get it off your fingers. It's gonna get back on your finger.
No, I have to get it. I can't get the corners with my fingers. I gotta go back in with this. I should have floured this thing down because it's sticking to it. I think it really does matter.
I don't think it matters. I think it really doesn't matter. You're bad at this.
No. You just thought this was going to be easier than it actually is.
No, you're just bad at this.
Can I try?
Yeah.
We still need 1.5 cups of flour. By the way.
Let me get those pieces in there.
You're moving the whole table every time.
I'm putting force into it.
Okay, here's another cup.
Alright, somebody else want to try to incorporate it?
Let me feel it.
You are going to want to flour your hands.
Oh yeah, it feels nice and warm.
Alright.
No, you have to turn that on.
Is that me?
No, all depends on every time you watch live.
It's all under my fingers.
I mean, we used to do 1.5 cups of flour before we finished it.
yeah. There's a lot of flour that's just sticking to the bottom stuff, yeah.
Maybe I should get a knife to cut it up.
I think we should start mixing it on the
We'll get another, just get another 1/2 cup in there and then put it out.
another 1/2 cup.
Get that another 1/2 cup.
That's a full cup, right? Yeah, just half of that.
This will be.
This is a 1/2 cup.
That's half a cup.
Okay.
Okay. It doesn't matter if you over add it, because this is going to be added more when you put it on the flour surface anyway.
Yes.
We're each going to get a piece of bread. You split this into 3 pieces.
Yeah, I know.
Right. So, you want to see? You can use your hands.
Oh, wait. Yeah. Flour.
Well, wait, that's a
That's
lot
good.
of
That's a
flour.
lot of flour.
No, put some over here, too. I'm going to do one.
Yeah.
So much at the bottom. One second. Don't put any over here. How much is down here?
I know.
That's what I'm saying. We haven't mixed it all together yet. I'm in an Italian pizzeria.
I feel like I'm in a German bakery.
That's.
What do you feel like you're in?
I feel like I'm in my own kitchen.
You're not in Philadelphia making deep dish?
I don't think Philadelphia does deep dish.
Yeah, Philly deep dish. Come on.
I've never heard of the Philly deep dish before.
Okay. Man, there's a lot of flour. Wait, 3 pieces.
Wait,
Split it into 3?
wait, 3 even pieces. Get them all together again and then
Let's make a log.
square them up. Yeah.
Get into a log and then get like a knife or something. We don't have a knife right now. I got this. Because then you roll your piece out into a, as it says, 9 by 12 rectangle and roll it up like a jelly roll. So once you get to a 9 by 12 rectangle, roll it up like a jelly roll.
All right, so after about 40 minutes of kneading, we found up with these. You got Ace's, mine, and Zeke's vagina loaf.
I really didn't want it to look like that.
Well, yeah, it looks like that, so that's too bad. We're going to let these sit for 35 minutes in a warm place, have them under our light. We'll get back to you after we finish cleaning up this entire mess, because it's really bad. All right. Alright guys, so we finally aired out the kitchen and fixed the oven, and the bread is cooking. It is a little smoky, but that's okay. Bread's going. You want to cook your bread for about 20 minutes and just kind of look for a golden brown topping. We're going to go play in the backyard for a while, so we'll see you guys when the bread's ready. Bread just finished. Look at that crispy golden brownness. Oh yeah. Look at Zeke's loaf.
That looks like a pretzel.
Yeah.
Is it done?
Smells like a pretzel. Yeah.
All right. Like they're all.
All right, guys. This is Zeke's bread. We're gonna cut it open.
Perfect.
You're supposed to use a serrated knife for bread.
I don't have one.
We have one.
I don't have one. In my hand.
That's definitely not good.
That looks cooked to me.
We can cook it some more.
That's literally so doughy.
Put it back in.
All right. This is my loaf. You know what this needs? What? More stuff. Mmm. Mmm. It's really good.
The jelly?
No, the bread. Pretty good, right?
Pretty good.
Yeah. Now it's getting a little doughy. Now it is doughy.
That's what I'm saying.
But I'm good with doughy bread.
Doughy bread? I can't get any. Okay. Jelly.
Let's try one of the doughy pieces. Oh, that's just dough. No.
Huh?
It's like sourdough bread. I didn't get down with that. No, maybe not. Just a bunch of jelly, maybe that'll help.
Maybe you just gotta roll it the other way so it's not as thick.
Kind of looks like Bird with his haircut. But like in a good way. Like
Hey, that guy, I look like a bird.
Let me try the dough.
It's pretty good. What would you guys rate my bread?
Out of what?
Out of bread. What else? What are you rating it, Asa?
I'd say it's bread.
Out of what?
You just said it was bread. I'm rating it out of bread.
So it's the best it could be. All right. Zeke?
Definitely like the best. If I were to get this at a high school cafeteria, I would say, man, this is really good bread.
I take that as a compliment. I love
Everyone loves
high school cafeteria food. Period. I think it's the best.
Favorite type of food?
Do you think we have really good with this?
The end? No. All right, let's get an outro. All right, thanks guys for tuning in to How to Make Bread with the Cooking Boys. Probably won't make another video. Bye.